What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Ray, aka Little Ray TV. We back with another video. I told you guys I have a special video for you guys. We got a sneaker that came in the mail, I think yesterday. But I was waiting for all the men's, not men's. I wish I had a men's pair because I would have had a personal already. But sadly, I only got toddler, preschool, and GSIs. So I will be showing you guys GSIs last, obviously. So you see the title, you see the thumbnail, so you see what we're about to talk about. Let's get right into the video. If you're new here, subscribe to this channel as well as my other channel. And go show love, obviously. Follow me on Instagram. Also, if you're new here, leave a comment, whatever. I respond, I read all comments. So no further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's get it. Alright, so off rip, let's show the toddler. Toddler, preschool, of course, always gets done dirty. Regular box, nothing too crazy, whatever. Size 7, toddler. So if you want this early, hit me up right now. I'm selling all the pairs I have. Size 7, toddler size, right here. Little cute size, toddler size. Got the little flappy for the kids. Jordan 11 cherries. Right in the flesh. So size 7 toddler, if you need that, hit me up. And it could be yours. Okay, so we also got a preschool. Same box. Toddler, preschool gets done dirty. It's only men's and GS to get the better boxes. Preschool, size 3Y. I know that's like a popular size in preschool. So if you want to see how the preschool looks, here it is. Size 3Y. It kind of looks doofy, I know, but it's tight, obviously, because sneakers and Nike put it together. But size 3Y, if you need it, hit me up. It's for sale. You could have it a month early for Christmas. Hit me up. You could get your kids' Christmas gift out the way instead of waiting 1 month. You could get it now, and it could be shipped to you way before the holidays, so you can have it now. So size 3Y, hit me up if you need it. Preschool. You could comment down below, or you could hit me up on Instagram. If you don't have Instagram or an account, I don't know what else to say. I also have YouTube, my other channel. I don't know. Figure out a way to contact me. Size 3Y, for sale. You can get it a month early, so let me know if you need it. That's the preschool. All of them come with that Jordan on the bottom. Yeah, let's get into the best sizing that I have available. So that's toddler, preschool, and then we have the GS. Voila, comes in that nice box they give. I guess with this Jordan 11, I don't know when's the last Jordan 11 they put in a regular box. I don't think the Cool Grays. Nah, the Cool Grays have the gray box. The Jubilees have the black box. Yeah, so they're going back to regular Jordan boxes, I guess. Which is weird because this is a Jordan 11, but there's no Jordan logo. Surprisingly, they have the Nike logo there, the Nike logo here, Nike logo here, and then it has the back. It says engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world. That's what it says on the back. You can pause and read that. I'm not reading that again or pausing it. If you do want to know, this GS size is also available for sale a month early, size 6.5. So if you want this early for Christmas and you want to get your girlfriend, your mom, whoever, female, could be a little boy, a little brother, whoever, 6.5 GS for sale a month early. Comes with that, silky type of paper, and then voila. Oh my gosh. First and foremost, I don't know how these shoes are not going that crazy on resale market. Like, if you look at the market, it's a Jordan 11. Yes, they always say when it comes to Jordan 11s, they also, make 1 million pairs, 750 about. But come on, how you a little kid little GS size, feet, women, whatever. Oh shoot. And don't think these are fire. There's no way. This is why when they did an early release, I'm mad I wasn't able to hit on my men's pair because I would have had this early and got that out the way. But I gotta wait 1 month until December. But look at that icy bottom, crispy, that carbon fire with the little checkerboard right there. But come on, red and white cherries. I know everybody's waiting for the Jordan 12 cherries, but this is why once I saw this 11 and I saw it, I said, oh, it's a must cop. There's not even a question. It's not even if, ands, buts. It's not, oh, Roy, you know, they could get dirty with all the white. Oh, Roy, this and that. No. Phone's going crazy while I'm doing this review. But you can't tell me these are not heat. In person, it's the perfect red, the perfect cherry red. I know everyone's comparing this a little bit to the lows, but the lows have nothing compared to this. You got the icy bottom. I know retail for these are pretty high, but it's worth it. It's a Jordan 11, high quality everything. Must cop. Must fucking cop. This time around, I'm going to do a video backwards because obviously I'm doing a review first because I want to just be out there with the review. But obviously I'm going to do a part, like, addition to this video about a must cop or not. Depending on resale, because obviously resellers will want to know information just as well as personal people. But this is a quick little review for you guys. Jordan 11 cherries. Fire, fire, fire. So, until next time, I'll see you guys in the next vid. There's not really much to say, but like I said, everything you've seen in here is for sale. Just in case you skip through the toddler preschool. I got a toddler 7C and a preschool 3Y and a GS 6.5. So if you want these, hit me up because I could get it to you before Christmas and you could have to not worry about anybody's sizes. You could just get it now, a month early, and get it out of the way for Christmas. So yeah, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We do big sneaker releases and reviews and all that. So you want to be a part of it. You always want to get things for sale before anyone hits me up. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on subscribe to my other YouTube. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you let me know in the comment section. Do you like these? What is your thoughts on these? I will be reading comments as well as answering any questions. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. One final look. And then, yeah, I'm going to do a little thumbnail. But tell me, come on. Come on. You can't tell me these ain't heat. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy is out. Peace out. And that's that.